Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to save chat in Chatgpt. If you have ever had a conversation with Chatgpt that you wanted to save for later reference, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in and learn how to do it. Navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to the login page. Here, to sign in, you need to click on the login button, and then you will need to enter your registered email address or username and password, and then press continue button to log in. Step 1. Start a conversation with ChatGPT. Firstly, you need to start a conversation with ChatGPT. You can do this by accessing a chat interface where ChatGPT is available, such as the interface on the OpenAI websites or in any certain chat application. Once you've started the conversation, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. You need to scroll down to the left corner of the page and click on the three dots. This will allow you to display a menu where settings is to be clicked next. Click on Show Data Control, and then Step 3. Save the conversation. Once data control is shown, you can save the conversation at any time during the chat. To do this, simply click on Export Data. This will typically generate a file containing the entire conversation, including any text or media that was shared. Your account details and conversations will be included in the exports. Data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. Processing may take some time, and you will be notified when it's ready. Step 4. Make sure to check the latest emails sent to you from OpenAI company. Click on Open Email and download your file. The conversations will be saved in HTML file with all precision. And that's it. Now you know how to save chat in ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. See you soon.